Hi everyone, this is your tutorial for week 8. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's go to the announcement section and click on week 8 announcement. And here's the link for the activities that we'll be doing for week 8. Okay, this tells you the topics that's going to be covered in week 8. And then as you scroll down, these are the essential questions that we're going to be answering. The objectives, the agenda, as well as the assessments. So let's go ahead and get started. The first assignment is a video with number talks 496 divided by 8. So I'll go ahead and show you how to get to that one. You click on assignments. Number talks. That's this bottom one. Okay, what you need to do is go ahead and click on this video link and then reflect on that information and then answer the following questions and upload your work to Canvas. Okay, let's go on to the second assignment. This is the video math class needs a makeover. So we'll go back here, go back to assignments. Okay, and we need to go ahead and watch this video and then reflect on these 4 questions. The third assignment are these 3 act tasks, and these are awesome. I think everybody's really going to enjoy these. So go ahead and click on assignments. And we'll type in act. There we go. Okay, so go ahead and watch that video and then answer these. And then here's also a link to a website that has many different 3-act tasks for different grade levels. So just choose one of those and take a click on one of those links and explore that. This has the picture right here. This didn't really upload to Canvas, so you need to take a look at that. Number 4 is growing patterns. It's right here. Go ahead and click on that link. So we have some students making some growing patterns, and you see this one little guy is building a dragon. So we have that use the pattern blocks in the Math Learning Center Pattern Shape app, and that was sent to you as of last week. So go ahead and use that same app, and I want you to create the next 2 dragons in the pattern, and then tell me what would the 10th dragon look like and how many blocks would you need. And then what about if he had the 25th dragon without actually building it? So explain that information to me and then upload that to Canvas, please. Then the 5th one is the key assignment, and then there is a YouTube tutorial video that will run you through step by step for that. You need to check the key assignment folder in the file tabs for the Canvas for details. So go on assignments again. So here's the course one. And this is the resource document. If you need to take a look at that for various resources. Here is the assignment itself. This is the data you need to take a look at. This is the focus document that you will need to take a look at. And then this is the rubric and how you will be graded for the assignment. If you have any questions, watch the tutorial, and after that, if you still have questions, please feel free to contact me. Don't mind talking to you at all about this assignment. So if you could upload this to Canvas in 2 places, the key assignment TEP pillars, and then the key assignment course, if you could. Next is the field experience. And the information for that is all right here. And you need to make sure you get that turned in, because without that, you won't be able to pass the course. So there's a tutorial video here as well. And then make sure you upload your information to Canvas. Then this is the professional growth presentations. Okay, for this one, what you need to do is to take a look at 3 of these 14 different areas and think about how you've grown as a learner from the beginning of this course until now. So as we go down here, this explains it in a little bit more detail. So you take 3 of the above areas of focus and you tell and explain what you've learned in those 3 areas. And if you could take a look at examples, like various problems that you've done during this term. And from that, you need to create a 10 to 12 minute PowerPoint presentation. And if you have a different medium to present, please let me know, and I'm sure it'll be just fine. You need to present it during class on Thursday, and it should demonstrate your knowledge and skill in the 3 areas that you chose, and show me how you've progressed throughout this term. And let's see, here's for instance, example of your work from early in the term, and consider a topic that was disconnected and now you understand it better. So with that presentation, you need to have a typed summary that's 2 to 3 pages long that describes your growth in those 3 areas. And then this is the scoring of how you're going to be scored for this. And then you need to upload that information to Canvas. And then we have chapters 12 and 13, and those are in the discussion portions. There's chapter 12. And this is, we're talking about this disruptive thinking. So read chapter 12 and respond to 2 of your peers throughout the week and what you've learned answering these questions. And then chapter 13 is exactly like that, except it's for chapter 13. Thursday, we'll be working on the in-class work, which will mainly consist of your presentations, and then any other information that we need to get out on Thursday, and then we will be complete. Please be reminded that this is the last week and I need everything turned in. I'll need it turned in by the 19th so I can get everything up and graded into Canvas. And it's been a pleasure working with you, and can't wait to see everybody on Thursday.